looking for a brighter season. Need to lay a burden down.
Let me just say, it's about to go down. Beast Ship, Sherman Indian High School 2017. Making a meme. And you have Scotty Ness coming out with his new singles right here, his new Eddies. A little bit dirty, let's clean it off real quick. Alright. Yeah, my ninjas.
I'm gonna go way the hell up there and I'm just gonna cave it off into the water.
I'm gonna get some Heelys so I can roll with you guys.
Oh, that's what I did the other day.
What do you have to say, Scotty?
I have to say, we're gonna have a good day. Skate fast and don't fall.
Don't fall?
Gone for good.
Still lucky. Bro, I think where are you gonna eat at?
I don't know.
Did you guys decide yet? I think you guys need some more good.
Yeah. Last time we just ate at Denny's, so.
That's good though, it's better than here.
Yeah. Hopefully.
So you go Denny's and eat the Grand Slam.
Grand Slam.
He's bringing 3 bags, so I'm only bringing 1.
Does that like show you the video like
Yeah.
on the other side?
Look. What do you have to say to your haters?
To my haters, go suck a dick.
What do you have to say to your haters?
What up? Follow me on Instagram at HaramBelord26.
Harambe Lord.
Perfect.
What's your Instagram?
He doesn't have it.
I do actually.
Oh, you do?
I think it's like, I don't know, it's a bunch of random shit.
Really?
I just made it for like an account where like you,
Post
you get
memes?
free stuff.
Oh yeah.
I don't even
Like
think
on
I'm
games and shit. Like, that's what I made it. Like, oh, I want to get this free thing, so I just made an Instagram.
Yeah. Hey guys,
This is how to always.
skateboarding video. And first off, if you're not, you gotta get really used to riding your board around and try it in the cracks. So first you pop,
And
slide your foot up, but at the same time as you're sliding your foot up, lift your back foot up. And then once you got it, you'll just put together all in one motion, like, hold up. Take 2. Like that.
can you do it while riding, sir?
Here, try all of this.
Are you gonna ollie the gap?
Fuck, if I could do that,
Hell nah.
if I could do that, might as well sponsor me to Nike.
Hell nah.
Yeah, nah.
Oh,
Hey, we gotta get in front of the bus that way. We can sit in the back. Or should we sit in the front?
I'm gonna sit where I hit it from the back. Here I go again.
I'm gonna sit away from it.
Fuck, dude, my shoes not even. Who the fuck is it? Who the fuck is it? Keenan's?
Finesse gang.
Huh? Finesse gang.
Finesse gang, we don't take no finesse. Finesse game, we don't take no else.
He's not letting me take my word. They don't have a helmet. Watch back.
Should we just put it under the bus real quick?
No, he's not looking at it. Put it right here, quick. Like, put it in the middle.
What? Your skateboard?
Fuck Pablo.
Did you finesse your board?
Yeah.
What did he say? Fuck, dude, I should give you my helmet real quick.
He thought yours in your bag on.
Damn. Finesse, dude.
Bullshit.
Oh, hello.
Are you
Papa squat. No. We out here saucing with the squad beach shit to the motherfucking Balboa Beach. You know what we do?
Staring at the water, looking like a bunch of sand, looking to my eyes, and all you see is motherfuckers standing toe tagging, bitch, I'm bagging up the dope, no ratting to the pole, acting like a shot, leaving the Latin pole across my fucking throat. Hoes go, oh no, heard this motherfucker like to get buried, those and I don't know if I want to go, but give me your body, be into his soul. Gave her the number to my phone, told her dial up 666, and she needs to get a hold of me. And hopefully
phone telling me she home alone. Motherfucker future counting down till I die. Days roll by, I just wanna get high. Never ever sold or need drugs, my component.
We at the beach right now. This is Balboa. We're out here to go fuck some shit real quick. As you can tell, we got mad bitches out here. We got all kinds of shit. We got a beach. My nigga got to go swim with the dolphins up in this motherfucker. We parking. Alright, let's go fuck shit. There's a problem. Oh, there he is. That motherfucking piece of shit is approaching the group right now. Finally, after like how many years? 2? 3? Lost count, dude. But let's fuck shit up.
Oh yeah, we gotta check in when we get here. And then that's when we can bounce. We gotta check back in an hour.
2 hours.
No?
Yeah, 2.
Because it's like, oh, alright.
Motherfucker. You just don't know, dude. Pablo's right, dude.
Yeah, dude. I gotta go back to the car and get my bag.
Dumbass. Hey, wait, look, we got Pinocha from in the distance. We call that loose.
Where you guys going first?
Call that salami. First, we gonna cruise around this bitch, see what's around. You know, you used to adapt to the environment right quick.
You sign up?
Yep.
We get to say Iverson.
Hey, it's gonna be lit today.
Baby, can you give me right there?
Shit.
Right now, we're trying to finesse a lighter, trying to get a little bit under the influence, you know. We got over here some A1 sauce, some Austin Calabaza sauce. Pick up your daily dose at a1.com/if you like that, tap that.org. And here's the glasses, just where motherfuckers try to block out the sun. And holy fuck, right behind me. Newport.
We take no L.
Finesse game, nigga. We
Take no L.
Take no L. Just found this new fucking spot right here. Fucking wash the fuck out of it. Cancel that. That shit is fucking sticky as fuck. There's no way to slide on. Look at this. Holy fuck. Should you go find a spot now?
Yeah.
You done?
Yeah.
Alright, let me get my bag. Nothing out here. Fuck.
No skateboards?
Damn, there's like nothing out here. What the fuck is this? You gotta do the bitch ass fucking wear your helmet way and cruise down that motherfucking
Watch that pussy nigga run when I swipe first. Watch that pussy nigga shoot when I swipe first. Like, I don't need no strap, I let my blade hit. Hey, I don't need no strap, I let.
Did you almost hit us, dude?
You almost got hit, dude. Alright, we were trying to get this line. And some fucking dickhead. Don't even honk or anything. Tries to run over Gavin's punk ass, dude.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
Get the fuck ass. Get across the street. And we go check out some of the wherever this area is called spots, man. So far we barely found shit up in this bitch.
Niggas don't want war, I'ma march mission with an army of Spartans, spawn with a knife in a missile fight. Get your intel right, your intelligence is irrelevant, but it's definite. I spit more than speech impediments. Brooklyn's the residence, the best, and it's evident. We got them niggas PE nuts like they elephants. Throw them in the truck if they hate though. We don't give a fuck as long as we collect our peso. Y'all collect pesos, y'all money ain't right.
Got that last refreshment before we hit the road. This ends our day in the life. You know, it's about 5 time. By that time, head back to the fucking buses. So all we can do is hit up that bus. Well, we are back here at this fucking piece of shit ass school they call Sherman High School. Welcome into my truck.
What have we here?
Santiago.
What have we here?
That's Sherman, local pedophile dude. Local Sherman institution pedophile.
Why is it so vividly portrayed within my dreams? We are understanding the devil's running its course. Hatred's not received, it's coming straight from the source. Remorse, as this time becomes a factor. Minds full of greed, disposing of benefactors. Backwards, pace backwards, effort is superficial.